What if one of the most legendary names in Japanese performance cars finally returns after years of silence? And what if it becomes the car enthusiasts have been waiting for all this time? That's exactly why the 2028 Mazda RX-9 continues to generate so much excitement. For decades, Mazda's RX models earned a loyal following because they offered something completely different from everyone else. Lightweight design, sharp handling, and the unique rotary engine created a driving experience that became unforgettable for enthusiasts around the world. Now, rumors and speculation surrounding the RX-9 have people asking the same question. Could Mazda finally bring back a true rotary-powered sports car? And honestly, that's a possibility many enthusiasts would love to see. The first thing that makes the RX-9 so interesting is its heritage. The RX-7 became a global icon. The RX-8 introduced a new generation to rotary performance, and now the RX-9 has the opportunity to continue that story. The design is expected to be sleek, low, and athletic. Long hood proportions, a wide stance, aggressive LED lighting, and smooth body lines could give the RX-9 the appearance of a modern Japanese sports car while respecting Mazda's performance heritage. Performance will likely be the biggest talking point. Many reports suggest Mazda could combine rotary technology with electrification, using a hybrid-assisted powertrain that delivers strong performance while meeting modern efficiency requirements. If that happens, the RX-9 could offer something very few sports cars can: a unique character, a unique sound, and a unique driving experience. Inside, expect a driver-focused cockpit featuring premium materials, modern digital displays, supportive sports seats, and controls designed around driving enjoyment rather than unnecessary complexity. But perhaps the biggest reason people are excited is simple. Cars like this are becoming rare. The 2028 Mazda RX-9 wouldn't just be another sports car. It would represent the return of one of Japan's most beloved performance legends. And that's exactly why enthusiasts continue waiting for it.